Namaskar, Khusro Bitiya, myself JVN Dr. Pramila Kajla, Assistant Professor in Department of Physiology and Biochemistry, Faculty of Homeopathic Science from Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University. Today, our topic is carbohydrate from biochemistry. Carbohydrate are polyhydroxyaldehyde or ketones. Carbohydrate are the main source of energy of body. General molecular formula of carbohydrate is CnH2n. Classified into monosaccharide, disaccharide, oligosaccharide, and polysaccharides, molecules having only one actual or potential sugar group are called monosaccharides, which can't be hydrolyzed further. Polysaccharide having only one type of monosaccharide unit are called homopolysaccharides, and those having different monosaccharide units are called heteropolysaccharides. Glyceraldehyde is reference molecules for carbohydrate. These sugars are naturally occurring sugar and body can metabolize only these sugars. Common monosaccharides. These are common monosaccharides. First one is triols with aldose and ketose group. Erythrose, arbinose, xylose, ribose, glucose, galactose, mannose, glucoheptase. These contain aldose and ketose. Properties of carbohydrate. Carbohydrates show stereoisomer, optical activity, epimer, and anisomerism. Stereoisomerism, compound having same structural formula but differ in spatial configuration. Epimerism, when sugars are different from one another, only the configuration with regard to a single carbon atom other than the reference carbon atom. Reactions of carbohydrate. Ozone formation, phenyl hydrazine, all reducing sugar from characterize ozone crystal. Glucose and fructose form needle-shaped crystals, maltose form sunflower-shaped crystals, and lactose form hedgehog-shaped crystals. Important disaccharides are sucrose, maltose, isomaltose, lactose. Sucrose is not a reducing sugar, but it doesn't have free aldehyde or ketose group. These are invert sugar. Isomaltose is a reducing sugar contain two glucose units combined into alpha 1,6 linkase. Salient feature of important sugar, monosaccharide. Monosaccharide examples are glucose, galactose, mannose, fructose, L-hexose. Galactose contain 4 epimer of glucose and mannose contain 2 epimer of glucose. Fructose contain ketohexose. Then disaccharide. Example of disaccharide is lactose. This is reducing sugar made up of glucose plus galactose. Maltose is also a reducing sugar made up of glucose plus glucose, and sucrose is reducing sugar produced from combination of glucose plus fructose. Starch is the reverse carbohydrate of plant kingdom. Starch is made up of unbranched part, amylase form of alpha 1,4 glycosidic linkase, and branch part amylopectin made by alpha 1,6 linkase. Amylopectin gives red color to iodine reaction. Cellulose is the chief carbohydrate in plant. Due to the absence of enzyme cellulase, men can't digest cellulose. Inulin. Inulin is a long chain homoglycan composed of D-fructose unit with repeating beta 1,2 linkase. Glycogen is the reverse carbohydrate of animal kingdom. Heteroglycans are the polysaccharides containing more than one type of sugar residue. Heparin. Heparin is the strongest acid in human body. Mucopolysaccharide and glycoaminoglycans GAG are carbohydrate containing uronic acid and amino sugars. When the carbohydrate chain are attached to a polypeptide chain, it is called proteoglycan. नमस्कार।